Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make a very healthy weight gain smoothie. So let's get started. So here are some of the ingredients that we are going to be using for this smoothie, okay? So here we have watermelon, banana, groundnut and dates. So first thing I'm going to do is to rinse my dates. Then I'm going to remove the seed one by one, just the way I'm doing in this video. And if you don't want to make use of dates, you can as well make use of honey. And for the granite, you can also make use of peanut butter. So anyone can go. So after removing the seed from the date, the next thing is to slice my watermelon. So before slicing the watermelon, I'm going to try and remove the seed as much as I can. I can't be able to remove all. You can as well blend the seed with the watermelon. Anyone can go, okay? And if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep commenting. So after slicing my watermelon, the next is to peel my banana. I'm using 4 seeds of banana. You can as well use less or more, depending on how thick you want your smoothie to be. If you want it thicker, you can use more. If you want it lighter, you can use less. So now that I'm done prepping all the ingredients, so the next thing is to transfer all the fruit into the blender. Then after adding the fruits, I'll go in with the groundnut. Then I will add in some ice cube. Then I'll go in with some milk. So after adding the milk, I will just add in a little bit of cold water. So the next thing is to blend this until it is very smooth. And for best result, this should be taken at night before bedtime, okay? So at this point, smoothie is ready and I'm just going to serve it into my jar and my glass cup. If you're watched to this extent, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video and also drop a comment. And guys, look how thick and yummy this is looking, and this was so yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.